excited to learn about your pick of the week. So let's dig right into it.
Let's do
The
it.
name of this company is Applied Octo Electronics, ticker symbol AAOI. AJ, what's the scoop with this one?
Uh-huh.
Sounds very exotic.
Yeah, this is I love boring stocks, right? As somebody who's called the most disciplined options trader, and again, I think my peers totally say behind my back that I'm the laziest options trader. I like to think of myself as the most efficient one because I follow my rules and I'm an end of day trader. And so I'm all about the destination. I don't care about the journey so much as I care about, getting those ongoing incomes. So I'm going to find the most boring stocks that, ideally are going to be around. And this is a fiber optic company, right? They've got some fiber optic switches and lasers, but mostly they provision big fiber optic systems. And it's the backbone of our internet, at least here in the States, but pretty much all over the world. And so, as much as it looks like this company is trying to figure out where they fit in the marketplace, they're not going anywhere. We only, especially as AI goes, you're going to need more and more infrastructure. So I'm all about this company, and it looks like first of all, I like the price that they're trading at, right? They're trading at about the $10 range. They're above being a penny stock, but they're super affordable for even the most beginning options trader. And it looks like I want to leg in on a short position. So, what I'm thinking of is I'm looking out somewhere between 11 and $12 here. So I'm looking for a top to be found, and I can use my fast MACD indicator. If you go to, I believe you've put a link into the website, into the chat where people can go download my indicator, or you can just lay on a fast MACD indicator. So you're going to use the 6, 19, and 3. If you use my indicator, I put in an additional amount of configurability. I allow you to pick what sort of price the MACD is calculated on. By default, the MACD is calculated on close price of every bar, but I actually have found that using the volume weighted average price gives me a more solid and validated signal. And in my indicator, I'll show you guys just because I'm so proud of it. This is my indicator. It's called the confirming MACD here. You can see I can pull down. I could use closing price, but I can also use, for instance, if I'm interested in historical volatility, I can use high-low close divided by 3, and there's my darling volume weighted average price. And so that's just kind of a cool thing if you want to go and get my free indicators. I'm waiting for my fast MACD to tell me that a top has been found. That would be an end of day signal. I'd look for follow through on the trading day. If I got that follow through, listen, I'm either going to short some of this and I'll short it in lots of 100 shares because then I'll be able to write put options on it in the future. Or if I don't necessarily want to do any shorting, maybe I have a cash account. I don't have a margin account. You can't short if you don't have a margin account. If I have a cash account, I have an alternative. I could go and buy some of the March 2025, $20 puts. It's just barely at that trading at parity definition that I like for my back month. And in that case, I'd be buying these suckers instead of shorting. And so I could do that in a cash account. Either one of those positions, whether you short the stock or you buy that put option that I suggested, will make money as AAOI goes down. And then what I'm expecting it to do based on the patterns I'm seeing is somewhere around $7, $8. I'm expecting it to reverse back up. And when it does that, I'll be ready. I'll be ready to sell some put premium. So sell some near term at the money puts. and I'll buy some 3 to 6 month out calls, probably with a strike price around 10. I believe it's 10. I believe they're going every $2.50. All to say, when I get this top signal, I'm going to set myself up for future income trades. And to do that, I'm either going to short AAOI or I'm going to buy that back month put option. I think this is a great pattern, great symbol.